It's about almost 6 o'clock now, and me and Levi are back out on the water for a second day. So you're about to see all the footage from the first day combined with the second day. So we caught a big one the first day, so look forward to that. We're also gonna catch some nice ones today, hopefully, using these little poppers. So less talking and let's get to fishing. No, you did.
There he is. I got him.
You got him?
Yeah, it's a nice one.
Nice.
Yeah. He's fighting good.
On the popper.
Yep.
Sick.
It's a nice one.
On that little popper.
Little mini rebel popper. Money everywhere I go.
There's one.
Oh, really?
Yeah, your boy's finally hooking up.
Looks like a good fish, too.
Well, I have a really light pole, so.
Oh, that's a really bad.
Yeah.
Oh, no, it's not that bad.
Let's go!
About average.
About average. This thing's like 3 inches.
I know. About average.
Okay, well, I just dropped him, so can't show him to the camera.
Nice.
That's alright, it's my first one of the day.
Fish slinger?
Caught, yep, fish slingers. Caught in this little popper. You got him?
Yeah, it's a nice fish again.
Levi hooking up again. Nice.
Yeah, that's a nice fish. See him?
Oh, I was trying to get the GoPro on you. It's a good one, though?
Yeah.
Alright.
It's decent.
Oh, you're in those weeds.
Though. Oh, yeah. Well, oh, that's a nice one.
It's a largie.
Good
That's nice.
fish right
Caught in
there.
that little popper.
Yep, these poppers. All three of us have been using these poppers and been killing it with these.
Yeah. That's a nice
right
fish.
in all these weeds right here.
That's a nice one. Oh. You got him. Looks like it. All right, little smallie. All right, there's my smallie. Another little river smallie, but these things fight hard and they're real fun to catch. Let's get some more. Yeet! Oh, that was a good blow up. You got him?
Oh yeah, big fish, guys. Big fish. Oh, big fish.
Yeah, dude, that thing blew up on that.
Oh, get out of those weeds. Get out of those weeds.
Don't force him to come out.
Get out of those weeds. Oh, I think I have to go get him, dude.
Dude, we're working our way down there anyways.
Oh, I'm stuck in those weeds.
That was, dude, that was good. That was a good blow up.
I don't think I had him anymore.
You still got him though, right?
Yeah.
Oh, it was a good spot.
Oh. Oh, that's a nice. Oh, that's a big.
Oh, he's got you all the way in those weeds. Oh boy, that's a nice smallie, dude.
Oh my god.
Oh, that's a nice one. Woo! Nice, dude. Hook it up.
Big slingers.
Look at
that chump. Big smallmouth. Look at that on the popper.
Wow.
Working all day.
That's awesome.
That's a big smallmouth, guys.
That's awesome. Levi hooking up with this biggest smallie he's ever had in here.
In Illinois.
In Illinois, okay.
Yeah. There's not a lot of smallmouth fishing in Illinois, so this is a good start.
Yeah. All right, let's go for a release. Do it over here where it's clear water. Dude, that was sick. Nice, dude. Woo! Oh god. Don't want to get too deep. Oh, that's the dick. Oh, that's the deepest I've been today. I do not like that. I got one.
Is that a crappie?
No, it's just it's a large. It's a largie. Look at that. That is a micro bass. Using that little popper. Picking up little largemouth. That's awesome.
Oh, there he is again. Oh!
Nice. Nice. Good one?
Oh, that's a good one, yeah. Nice for largemouth, I think. Yeah, good largemouth.
Sweet.
Looks like a largemouth. Maybe not. No, that's a smallmouth.
Yeah, it's definitely a smallie.
Yeah, he's fighting good too. Decent fish. Decent
That's
fish.
awesome.
Yeah.
Second spot on the river.
Slightly below, slightly above average, probably.
Yeah, probably.
Decent fish.
It's a nice one. Nice. Oh, there's one. Yeah. All right, we're at the second spot in the same river. Boy's got a largemouth. Using the popper, throwing it right in those weeds over there. All right, there's my largemouth. Got a little gut on him. Let's get some more. Oh, I got one. Yeah, one hit it and I was looking the other way. I hooked him.
Oh, that's nice.
With no back hook and I still get a fish. That's awesome.
That's ridiculous.
Just that.
It's a largemouth too.
Yeah. Yeah, no back hook. Broke off. Wasn't even looking and I looked over and I saw some ripples on top of the water. This is my first fish of the day. Very little one, but I caught in that broken popper. So let's get some more. Levi just finished up today. Pretty slow day for day 2, but we caught a lot of good fish on day 1. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a thumbs up. If you're new here, subscribe for weekly videos. That being said, have an alright day. We'll see you guys next time.